my channel. My name is Ashley and this is my channel. Today's video is a updated review on this straightener right here. Oh my gosh, my lighting is like daylight. I have absolutely no lights behind this. I'm in the weirdest setup ever because I don't have a space to record, so I'm just going with it, just using what I have. Today's video is an updated review on this straightener right here. It is the DRYBAR Tress Press straightener, and this is a year and a half after I've had it. This is an updated review, demo, thoughts, like year-long impressions of this straightener. And disclaimer guys, or side note, I absolutely love it. I'm gonna get into it more in the video, but right now I've started brushing out my super curly hair. This is, guys, like I mentioned in the video before, this is why you don't brush out curly hair. But I was hoping to do a better video, like straightening wise. I'm kind of in a time crunch because I have to do some things, but I'm just literally gonna stop talking and I'm gonna straighten my hair and then just do a voiceover. Guys, as you can see, I have really damaged curly hair. It's gotten a lot better. Pumpkin, you're gonna burn yourself! Sorry, my cat walked literally right near the straightener. I used to have the prettiest curly hair, but as a teenager, I decided that I wanted to dye my hair all the colors of the rainbow, which I did. And that literally ruined my beautiful curls, and I regret that with all of my heart. I tried the curly girl method for like 5-6 months, but I couldn't hack it. Therefore, I have accepted my fate right now, and I just straighten. I don't dye it as much. I dye my hair like maybe 2-3 times a year, and that is just the roots. But I have accepted my fate. I have curly, kind of really dry, messed up curly hair. And guys, as you can see, this straightener is absolutely amazing when it comes to that. Like, you guys are seeing the difference already as I straighten my hair. And I am not a pro at straightening my hair. I am so bad. I grab big chunks. I don't divide my hair well. I'm just literally all over the place with how I straighten my hair. And look, if you take your time and you get look, it even gives it shine, guys. straightener leaves your hair looking absolutely flawless. I went from looking like this to this, so you know that it works. Not only that, the main things that I love about it, one, it does not pull your hair. I've had problems even with cheese straighteners where those cheese straighteners will pull my hair. I've had the blue one. I keep forgetting what it's called. I'm going to insert the name right here. I haven't had the updated one. I had one like years ago. I explained it in my first video, but this one does not pull your hair. Not only that, it leaves your hair looking healthy, shiny, and even silky. And I have very dry, curly, damaged hair, so you know this straightener works. It takes very little. I took about 15 minutes to straighten my hair, and you guys saw how awful it looked. And it warms up to 450. It is absolutely great. By the way, halfway through my video I noticed that it was in 400, not 450, so that's why it took me a little bit longer. But I absolutely love this straightener, guys, and I definitely do recommend it. If you want to invest in a straightener, this is the way to go. They sell it at Sephora, online, eBay, Amazon, and QVC. If you want to get it in payments, it's a little bit higher there, but you're still able to get it in payments, which is such a great help. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed watching this straightener a year and a half later tutorial on my thoughts and reviews and how I feel about it basically a year and a half later, please do like and subscribe, and I'll have more videos like this, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.